every donation tells a story of compassion, connection, and healing. One young man's final act of generosity brought the gift of sight and hope to others. At 7 p.m. on June 22, 2024, a 23-year-old man dies in Michigan after a motorcycle accident. 2 hours later, the hospital contacts Gift of Life Michigan, the state's federally designated organ and tissue recovery program and a key Eversight partner. Gift of Life Michigan checks the registry and confirms he is a registered donor. His sister honors his decision to give the gift of sight, whether for transplantation or research or education anywhere in the world. The team works with his family to complete the donor risk assessment interview, gathering critical medical details to ensure the safety of his gifts. The next afternoon, the medical examiner releases the case to Eversight. The Eversight Donation Support Center coordinates recovery of the donor's eye tissue. Less than a day after his passing, a tissue recovery technician procures both corneas. Blood samples go to Eversight's laboratory testing partner to check for communicable diseases, and results come back clear for transplantation. The next morning, in Eversight's Michigan lab, a tissue processing technician evaluates the corneas. One meets the criteria for surgery, and the other can support education and research. An Eversight donor eligibility coordinator determines the tissue is safe to be released for transplantation. Eversight's tissue distribution team offers the tissue to a surgeon for corneal transplantation. He accepts, and a technician prepares and packs the cornea for shipment. At dawn on June 27th, a courier service delivers the tissue to the surgeon in Illinois. The next morning, less than 5 days after the donor's passing, a 49-year-old man from Indiana receives the sight-restoring transplant. After surgery, he receives an Eversight recipient packet explaining where his cornea came from and Eversight's role as stewards of the gift of sight. A partner relations director follows up with the surgeon. The transplant was a success. The donor's other cornea goes to a biotech researcher developing new cell therapies that aim to turn a single donor cornea into less invasive treatments for many more people. An Eversight community engagement specialist writes to the donor's sister, sharing that her brother's gifts gave an Indiana man the gift of sight and advanced vital vision research. From tragedy to transformation, the cycle of sight reflects the power of donation and the dedication of everyone involved. At Eversight, each step in this process honors a promise to preserve sight, advance science, and ensure every gift fulfills its greatest purpose. Visit us at eversightvision.org to get involved in supporting our mission.